Hello everyone. Here we have question number 7 from exercise 2 phase 5 book alkyl halides and aryl halides chapter. So the question says aryl halides are less reactive towards nucleophilic substitution reactions as compared to alkyl halides due to. So we have to understand why aryl halides are less reactive than alkyl halide. So let's take the example of an aryl halide. When we take the aryl halide, the halogen, let's take the example as chlorine. So I have taken chlorobenzene here. And we take this reaction here, we know that this particular lone pairs which are present on the halogen will participate in resonance. As a result of this, the resonating structures will result in a partial double bond character for the chlorine, isn't it? So it is giving partial double bond character. So this particular partial double bond character, now this will resonate. The electron density is resonating here. The electron density is resonating throughout the benzene ring. As a result, the reactivity will be reduced because the reactivity should be of which one? Carbon halogen bond. Now carbon halogen bond has gained a partial double bond character. Because of partial double bond character, the bond length will be decreasing. Above that, there is whatever bond length is decreasing, the bond strength is comparatively increasing over there. So overall, the reason why aryl halides are less reactive than the alkyl halides, what we can take is supposed to be the resonance stabilization. I hope it is clear. Thank you.